In this video, I'll show you a free Illustrator style editor that works on Mac and Windows. It's completely legal, and you don't even have to download or install anything. Everything runs in your browser. Let's start. Open any web browser like Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or Edge. In the address bar, type photopea.com and press Enter. When the site opens, click Start using Photopea. Photopea is an online editor that looks very similar to Illustrator. It supports Illustrator files and many other formats, so you can open existing projects or create new ones. Click New Project. Here you can set your own dimensions, adjust different settings, or choose from ready-made presets. For example, I'll select Instastory, then click Create. You'll see a blank canvas. On the left are tools like Brush, Lasso, Eraser, and Text. At the top are menus like File, Edit, Image, and Layer. It works very much like Adobe Illustrator. You might wonder if this is legal. Yes, it is. Photopea was made by independent developers, it is not owned by Adobe, and it's free because it shows ads. You can use it without breaking any rules. You may see ads on the side, but they are not too distracting. You can use an ad blocker if you prefer, that's it. You can edit photos, design graphics, and work with Illustrator files for free in your browser. Subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.